Hi everyone, my name is Naila. Things in my bedroom. There is a cupboard behind my bed. There is a mirror on the table. There are two pencils beside the mirror. There is a chair under the table. There is a drawer in the cupboard. There is an air conditioner on the wall. There is a desk lamp on the table. There is a computer on the table. There are 4 pillows on my bed. There is a trash can near the cupboard. Thank you for listening.